Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, does Borrowell affect my credit score when I check it? The straightforward answer is no. Checking your credit score through Borrowell does not hurt your credit score. This is because Borrowell, and other services that allow you to check your own score for free, use what is called a soft inquiry or soft pull. Let's quickly define the two types of credit checks. Soft inquiries occur when you check your own credit score, or when a company pre-approves you for a loan or credit card without you formally applying. Soft inquiries do not impact your credit score, regardless of how often they happen, and they are only visible to you. Hard inquiries occur when a lender checks your credit report as part of a formal application for new credit, such as a mortgage, car loan, or credit card. Hard inquiries can temporarily cause a small dip in your credit score, and they remain visible to other lenders on your credit report for up to 2 years. Because of this, it's wise to limit the number of hard inquiries you have in a short time frame. Since checking your score with Borrowell is a soft inquiry, you can check it as often as you like without worrying about damaging your credit. In fact, checking your score regularly is a good financial habit because it helps you monitor your credit health and quickly spot any errors or signs of fraud on your report. So, rest assured, using Borrowell to stay informed about your credit is a safe and smart move for your finances. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.